How to remove debit card from Google account? Well, it's very easy to do it. You can just remove each and every information about your debit card, whether it's a Visa card or MasterCard or Discover or any other type of it. You can just remove instantly and I will show you each and everything regarding it. So let's dive in. So first of all, you have to just open your Google. It doesn't matter you're opening it over your Chrome browser or Google browser or whatever it is. So first of all, you have to make sure your ID is logged in. So here you can see that my ID is logged in. So once I'm here, if I just click on my ID, which is on the top right, my profile icon, I will get this option, manage your Google account. So I have to click on this. And once I click on it, you have to just go to the data and privacy. And basically, but before that, let me show you payment and subscription. If you want to remove your account information from Google Play Store, then from here, you can just remove. You have to just click on manage payment methods here, right? And once I click on it, it will just load for a few seconds, and here it will show my all the Google payment center, right? So I can just remove it. By the way, I don't have any payment method, that's why it's not showing here. If it was here, then here you will get an option of cancel it, right? But if you want to erase it or remove the information of your Visa, debit card, or whatever it is, you have to just go to the search bar, which is on the top right, and here you have to write password manager, right? Password manager. And even though if you just type password, it's fine, you will get option of password manager here. You have to click on the password manager, and once you click on here, just click on get started, and basically you can see I have saved password of Tinder and other social media apps here. But in your case, you would have always, if you have saved your Visa, debit card, master debit card, or any other credit card info, you will able to see here. So just click on this. For example, if I just click on this, right, I have to enter my Google account password, and once I enter it, I will get an option to cancel it, or I will get an option to erase it, right? Or even though I will get another option to delete it forever from Google. So this is the methods which I've shown you how you can just delete debit card from Google account, and I hope you found this video very useful.